Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Bar Council of India opposes same-sex marriage, calls it catastrophic, urges Supreme Court to leave the matter to the legislature. Supreme Court asks couple to give second chance to marriage that filed for divorce for having day and night shifts respectively and no time for each other. 4 Supreme Court judges down with COVID, including Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt, hearing the same-sex marriage case. Hearing cancelled until further notice. Supreme Court imposes Rs 25,000 in costs on Abhinavbharatcongress, alleging mistrial in Mahatma Gandhi Assassination Case. Supreme Court seeks response from J&K Administration on plea by Dutch prisoner for proper medical treatment. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Bar Council of India expressing its concern over the same-sex marriage legalization case being heard in the Supreme Court, said that any decision by the apex court in such a sensitive matter may prove very harmful for the future generation of our country. The BCI passed a resolution and urged the top court that the matter be left to the legislature, saying it would be catastrophic to overhaul something as fundamental as the conception of marriage by the court. BCI also claimed that more than 99.9% of people of the country are opposed to the idea of same-sex marriage in our country. A bench of Justices K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagaratna of the Supreme Court, while hearing a divorce petition, filed on the ground that one partner works at day and other at night, and so they do not have time for each other, asked the couple to give their marriage a second chance. The court was informed that both the parties are software engineers by profession and posted in Bengaluru. Justice Nagaratna then said that Bengaluru is not a place where divorces take place so frequently, and the couple may give a chance towards their union. Justices Aniruddha Bose, S. Ravindra Bhatt, J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra of the Supreme Court got infected with COVID-19, leading to cancellation of hearing of the same-sex marriage case until further notice. Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt is part of the 5-judge bench hearing the same-sex marriage and affected with COVID, and the other 4 judges of the Constitution bench are looking out for symptoms for COVID. As per reports, the Chief Justice of India is assigning cases to fresh 2-judge benches in order to avoid pendency of cases. The Supreme Court imposed Rs 25,000 in costs while dismissing the plea filed by Abhinavbharatcongress, an independent organization that claims to work towards public interest causes. The organization challenged the validity of the Bombay Public Measures Delhi Amendment Act of 1948 and sought for a declaration that its application led to the mistrial in the Rex vs. Nathuramgodse case, popularly known as the Mahatma Gandhi Assassination Case. The bench of Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul and A. Amanullah said that it is the most misconceived petition and that parties cannot walk into Supreme Court with any pleading or prayer they want. The Supreme Court sought the response of the Jammu&Kashmir Administration on a plea filed by a Dutch citizen jailed in the UT and suffering from schizophrenia. The petitioner is 53-year-old Richard DeWitt, arrested in 2013 in connection with a murder case. He claims that he has been in jail for nearly 10 years and his medical condition is deteriorating as no proper medical treatment for the disease is available in the prison, and sought direction to the authorities for proper medical treatment at a specialized hospital. The plea came up for hearing before a bench of Justices V. Ramasubramanian and Pankaj Mithal, who sought a response from the authorities. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.